Guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching What's Rakesh Up To. What am I up to today? I thought I'll make a video on my weight loss journey. So let's get right into this video. So way back in 2018, so I was 26 years old and I used to weigh 115 kgs, that is roughly 260 pounds, and that I was overweight, man. For my height, I am around 6 foot, so I had to be around 85, but I was close to 150, which was 30 kgs over my body weight that was adequate. Because of my overweight, right, what used to happen was I used to be very low in confidence and also very low in energy. So I used to be very lazy, lethargic through the day, not more on much, and it's not like I used to not go for trips. I used to go for trips also back then, but what used to happen in the trips were I was very lazy and didn't want to go anywhere, just stay in the room, drink, eat. So that was the routine even in trips. So and also my priorities were different back then. So my priorities were only drinking, be it alcohol or be it sugary drinks, and eating junk or any kind of food. So that time I didn't have any limit of what I can eat or what I cannot eat. Even if you gave me 500 grams or 1 kg of chips, I used to finish it and then ask for more. So that was my routine of eating, and also I never had any discipline eating habits or be it sleeping habits. So because of being overweight, all this had these negative effects on me, and I could not get the best out of me in most of the things that I did. So with all this, right, I was fed up. I was really fed up, and one of my friend called Shashit, right, so actually motivated me to kind of take this weight loss journey, where he told me what benefits I could reap by losing weight and having a healthier lifestyle, right? So it really pumped me up, and it really made me realize that okay, yeah, let me give it a try. So thanks to him, I wanted to take this up seriously. So like I said, I started this journey in 2018, somewhere mid-year, and I made a few changes to my lifestyle, starting with the diet changes. So my friend gave me a list of food that I can eat, I cannot eat. So these changes were made to my daily diet. So I made sure that I ate healthy, and also the second thing I did was I kind of included physical activity in my daily life. So like I said, no physical activity to at least an hour of physical activity every day. And then the other thing I changed was a sleeping cycle. Again, it is really important when you're losing weight to have adequate sleep, because your body need to de-stress, and also the process need to continue and happen in a way that your body is intended to be. And the next thing I did was I joined the gym. The friend I told you was going to the same gym, and it made sense for me to join him in these workouts so that he could train me, and we both could work out and make this journey together. So again, if you cannot go to a gym, just make sure that you add in some kind of workout to your daily routine, where at least you go for a jog or you go for a walk, or some kind of physical activity is a must in such journey. So these are the few small changes that I made that gave me big benefits. And after like 5 months of doing this, right, I lost close to 30 kgs, or 65 pounds, and that gave me a big energy booster, big confidence, where I felt like I could do anything. I mean, I was really, like I said, low in confidence. It switched, right. I was really mesmerized that I could do something like that, and that pushed me to do a lot of other things in life. So it kind of changed my life in a very positive way. So with that being said, I just want to also give you 5 tips that worked for me in this weight loss journey. 5 tips that can give you a direction of where to look if you want to make this weight loss journey yourself, right? So let's move to that. Here are the 5 tips that worked for me, and again, don't quote me for this. These tips are something that worked for me personally. Again, weight loss is really subjective. It can vary from person to person, body type to body type. So make sure that you know what kind of lifestyle or what kind of body type you have based on your metabolism and a lot of other things, and then try and make these changes yourself. Again, I suggest you try out different things, because what worked for me may or may not work for you. So try different diets, try different workouts, and that way I think you should see benefits in a longer run. So the first tip, right, the first tip I want to give is calorie deficit. Make sure you know what you're eating, you know how many calories your body is intaking. So what I did was, personally, I used to target anywhere from 800 to 1000 calories on a daily basis, and I used to avoid sugar, I used to avoid high carb foods, I used to avoid fried food. So that way I used to limit it to 800 calories and made sure my body burnt 2000 to 2500 calories in a particular day. Again guys, 2500 calories, you people might ask, Guru, enge? I mean, it's not only working out for 2500 calories. What actually happens is your body burns 1000 to 1500 calories as you breathe through the day. Not only by breathing, but your normal activities, everything, right? You burn up to 1500 calories with everything. So add in another 1000 calories. That should be anywhere from 1 hour of weight training and 1 hour of cardio should give you 1000 calories. So that's what worked for me. Body will trigger the fat loss and you'll start seeing reduction in your weight. So that's the first tip. Second tip is cardio and weight training. So make sure that you're doing enough cardio. Make sure you're doing some kind of weight training. So cardio, if you're really obese, right, cardio is something that's like a first step that you need to take to ensure that you're burning some kind of calories to the day. And the second thing is start some kind of weight training. Arnold Tara weights, bodybuilding alla, just normal weights. Do small weights that that you can do, that what your capacity is, and then that way you can build over months. So nothing happens overnight. So start doing some kind of weight training, and that way your fat loss and a little bit of muscle gain contributes to your overall weight loss. So the third tip is small healthy lifestyle changes. What do I mean by small changes? So back in the day I used to smoke a lot, and I quit smoking. It's been 4 years since I smoked cigarettes. And the second thing was I started taking stairs. These are small changes, right? So instead of taking the elevator or the escalator to 1 or 2 floors, just try walking up the stairs. And also what I did was I used to not take my vehicle to my friend's house. So if my friend's house is close by, I used to take a walk, and that way I have some kind of physical activity, and it pushes me to walk at least to a small distance, right? So did that. And also control your food portion. What happens is sometimes you tend to overeat when you don't have the right amount of diet food, right? So what happens is you're in a place, say your friend's place, they don't have any diet food. All they have is rice. So instead of eating your full portion of rice, make sure you eat a little rice, maybe some vegetables or palya or some kind of veggies, right? Palya gilya idde irute. So eat something like that with a very less portion of rice, so that you don't have to complain later and you're also in that calorie bar that you have. Fourth tip is be on a flexible diet. Do not think that you are God and you can control or restrict everything, right? So what used to happen to me is I used to be on a very strict diet through the week, and suddenly what used to happen was on a Saturday or a Sunday I used to start eating anything and everything that was on the table if we went out with friends, right? So do not do that. Be on a flexible diet. You saw a piece of cake that your friend is eating and you're really tempted. Do not stop. Just take a small bite. Instead of eating a big piece of cake, just take a small bite and tell your mind that this is all you get today, and just stop there. So this is what we call flexible dieting. Don't be too strict with the diet, because that stresses you out and you mentally tend to be more angry. I mean, I've seen people, and it also has happened to me, where I'm in the notion that I want to eat something sweet, something biryani, tension agate avaga. Just eat a little bit of thing. Don't feel guilty. It's all okay. So the fifth tip, the main tip, the most important tip is patience. Patience is the key if you're on a weight loss journey. Again, what happens is few friends of mine, right? They do some kind of diet for 5 days, and they'll be like, I've not lost any weight. It doesn't make sense. Let me go eat some biryani. Let me go eat some sweet. So nothing, so nothing happens overnight. Make sure you are very patient. So like I said, right, it took me 5 months, and those 5 months I there were days when I wanted to quit, but I am like, okay, let me do it for another week, and then the first month, right, when you see some kind of reduction in that weight scale, you get motivated. If you see like 3 or 4 kgs you're down, right, like, oh I can do it, madabodu guru, let's do this. So be patient. Nothing happens overnight, nothing happens over a week, nothing happens over a month, at least in weight loss. So make sure you put in the efforts, push yourself, meet your goals. Those are the 5 tips that work for me. Again, yaru comment alli guru nanaga agtala work ella, again it can differ from body to body, so always remember that. So with that being said, do your research and then do something that works for you. And finally, one more thing that I wanted to tell you is, if you had any question regarding your weight loss journey was quite old, it has been 4 years, 4 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯಿತು, nothing recent, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಾ, if you have such questions, right, so I'm on this journey constantly after the first time I did this, right. So I did it in my experience from 2018 is what I shared, but what happened was in the last year, right, in 2020, when the first lockdown happened, I was at home like everyone, and then rice, so whatever was there, open the fridge, eat anything, everything. Again, that lifestyle came back because I was at home. I was really bored and I used to eat a lot, so that made me gain another 10 kgs in the last year. So this is like the recent experience where I again went on the weighing scale, and then I felt I was 10 kgs more than my target weight. So again, this year, right, I think 3 or 4 months back, I started this diet again, where I started from 100 kgs, and now at this point, when I'm talking to you guys, I'm close to 86 or 87 kgs. So anyone can do it until and unless you're focused and having the patience and putting in the work, right. So like I said, you guys know that I'm on a calorie deficit. I don't eat anything that is high in calories, and that way you can do this at any age, any part of life. Also, the one thing that I wanted to give you as a tip is, I use an app called Healthify Me. Illa, sorry, it's not a promotion. This worked for me because where it shows you the calories of each food, because it's really tough for people, right. Sometimes you eat some food and you don't know how many calories that is, and you end up eating more than what is required. So I use this app to track the food that I ate for that particular time of the day. That way, my recent weight loss for around 10 to 12 kgs, right, it helped me in and out. It gave me a sense of the calories. And if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll try and answer as much as I can regarding weight loss. And if you have a question on cigarettes, my brand was Ultramites, before you ask in the comment section. So yeah, with that being said, that's the end of the video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and if someone can benefit from this video, please share it to them. And also, if you're not really subscribed, please subscribe right away. And with the analytics, I know that around 60% of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel, so ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು subscribe button press ಮಾಡಿ, please subscribe and keep supporting.